It's Gary again with another episode of Short Attention Span Travel Experiences, where I give to-the-point travel reviews in 3 minutes or less. Today's episode is the Encore hotel room review, which I stayed at on May 15th, 2022. Went with some friends to game a bit in the casino, and I had a comped room, so I figured give everyone a little taste of what the king-size rooms are like at Encore. This is actually their smallest room, and as you go in, naturally all good hotel room reviews start at the bathroom, and this is a huge bathroom, separate shower stall and bathtub. The shower is great water pressure, plenty of hot water. There's plenty of room around the sinks for two people to prepare at the same time, and I love the separate water closet. Again, two people can prepare at the same time. Plenty of amenities in the drawers there. Then we go out into the entranceway, and beautiful big mirror and a nice big size closet. I like it that they give two valet stands. Ironing board iron. There's also a safe in there, and when you come into the room, you can see it's very neutral palettes, some fun artwork on the walls. All the controls are electronic, so you can control the curtains, the temperature, the lights, all from that console. There's a nice table and chair by the windows. What I really like also is that they have lots of plugs on either side of the bed for phones and all the electronics that we have today. The bed is really comfortable. However, the comforter is just too hot. You wake up every time I'm there in the middle of the night, just really roasting, even though the temperature in the room is low. I love that they have an espresso machine. They could throw in a few more pods, I think, but it's a nice way to kickstart the day with some caffeine. This room overlooked Everett, and so we got a great view of the Target and Costco. The other side of the hotel gets the Boston City views. Again, great sized room. There's also a nice comfy office chair and desk if you need to do some work. Don't forget to subscribe and like us on the link below. And again, there's going to be some updated reviews on the casino and the overall hotel in future videos.